Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. OG Fortnite has to be the sweatiest, most difficult, and challenging video game I have played, and I'm not even sure how long. You try to think back to when you played this game in 2017 and all the fun memories you had with your friends and family playing this on a Friday or Saturday night or after school. And you're trying to relive that excitement again. So you think, let me hop on, let me play a few games. We'll get the squad back together and we're going to repeat the past and have that same level of enjoyment and excitement. And you join a lobby, you load in, map looks the same as it did years ago. Same weapons, same movement, although the movement has been updated actually, with some other tweaks to the map such as zip lines and other various things just to make it more modern and like reboot vans. But essentially it's the same old map with the same old weapons, so the play style should be the same. And then you load in and then you join your first game and you get killed almost instantaneously because you don't even have a chance. You have so many people loading into the same area on the map, and it's a rush to get a gun. You might get a gun, but by the time you do, you're already getting a shotgun to the head and instantly dying, as you can see on screen. Although I do get a kill in this game, which is kind of nice, but it doesn't last very long. Spoiler alert. So, what can we learn from this game mode? I think we can learn a couple things. We can learn that you can't repeat the past, as most people assume. Everything about this game mode is the past. Like, you're trying to feel that nostalgia again, and it's gone. It's just so gone. And I think this is what happens in gaming when people are too good at the game. And everyone complains about Call of Duty skill-based matchmaking. And then they realize, and then they get a taste of what happens when you completely... I'm all for some level of skill-based matchmaking. But then you remove it entirely, as a lot of people want to, so there's just complete randomness. And then you just face the sweats in the game who absolutely demolish you every single game to the point that it's no longer actually enjoyable. And so, like, you're trying to relive that nostalgia again, and you just can't because the competition in the game is just far superior than you or you have ever played. And in the time that you have been moving on with your life and playing other video games and trying other new things, the kids on this game have been grinding an immense amount of time on recent chapters and recent seasons of Fortnite that they're so antiquated with this game. It just comes so naturally to them, and their just reflexes are so much faster than yours, even though you used to think that you were good at this game, and then you realize you get extremely humbled and you're not actually as good as you thought you were back in the day when everyone was learning the game at the same time. Hence, a lot of the lobbies you were in, even if there wasn't skill-based matchmaking, everyone was roughly on the same playing field. But the problem is now, these kids, I say kids, this can also refer to adults. These people playing this game are just so skilled at it at this point that people coming back to play have absolutely no chance because they haven't gotten the reps in, they haven't the practice over. I mean, when you dedicate this much time to a video game, I think you're bound to be insane at it at some point. And that's what we're seeing. So, like, in my personal experience, I've learned that you can't really repeat the past, and practice makes perfect. And games aren't as fun when you're just getting destroyed every single time. And I think a lot of people can agree with me on that one. I really think that if there was skill-based matchmaking placed into this game mode, I think this would be a lot better. And what you'd find is probably the people at the bottom tier are the people rejoining the game for a while. All the OGs actually coming back to play, like they would be in the same lobby, and all the new players would be in the same lobby too. Like there'd be this like big like bifurcation in the lobbies where you have really good players and then really bad players. Because I think there's not too much of a medium ground in this game mode, and I think that's the major issue here. You're either really good or just like okay, and there's no in between. And I honestly think that they should implement one, like some level of skill-based matchmaking, and then two, add back some bots into the lobby, because I used to hate bots in Fortnite, and now I'm realizing they're a confidence booster, and I think that's the issue here. I have no confidence playing this game. I load in, and I'm like terrified for my life. I don't play aggressively. I honestly feel like just hiding in a bush and surviving the entire time. And to me, that's not really fun. And I honestly don't. I struggle to survive out of the first spawn point or the first spawn area I go to. Like, to me, that's a victory if I can just survive that entire time. I'm not even considering winning the game because I know that's like far out of reach, and I'm never gonna actually experience that feeling again. Like back in the day of winning a game of Fortnite, everyone's building their like huge towers at the end. The circle's getting smaller. Everyone's shooting grenades at each other using the Scar. Like, that's just gone. That's just gone. You can make the map look the same. You can add the same exact weapons. You can even play with your same friends, but I think that feeling of having fun in Fortnite is just gone because of how talented some of these players are. So that honestly makes me want them to add more skill-based matchmaking, and then also like add a ranked mode. I'm not even sure if that exists right now, but maybe a separate like OG ranked mode, just so we can get the really try-hard players out of these lobbies. Yeah, that's gonna be my 2 cents on this topic, guys. If you enjoyed this sort of, commentary over gameplay style of video, leave a comment down below. Love to hear from you guys. And yeah, leave a comment also, like what you think of this game. Like, how's it going for you? Are you having fun playing this? Are you getting your squad back together? Are you done with Fortnite forever, like I've heard from a bunch of people? Are you just tired of this game and want to play COD? Because maybe the skill gap there is because there's more skill-based matchmaking there. So yeah, comment down below and make sure to leave a like on this video. And if you're new to the channel, by all means, subscribe for more amazing content by Life Made Easy. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video on the channel. Comment down below your thoughts and your opinions on this game. And if you'd like to see more of this content, by all means, just let me know with a comment, and happy to take into account your feedback. Bye, everyone.